Now, this basically is a landing page where I give away my free dropshipping course. Now, this also comes with another free dropshipping course, so it comes with two, but I send people with free traffic from my YouTube videos, with free traffic from my Instagram, with free traffic from people that potentially purchase other courses from me on Udemy. And I drop these links all over the place, and people go here to grab my free dropshipping course. I'm giving something of value away in exchange for their email. So they get the free dropshipping course, but how do I make money? I'm giving away a free dropshipping course. I have a landing page. How do I make money with their email? So it's an exchange of goods, just like anything. They get the free course. I, in turn, receive their email. Now, here's where the 10K a month comes in and how you can scale quickly. So when people go ahead and they submit their email, what happens is they get an immediate auto response to their email that tells them, hey, here's the free course, and I link it in that email. And it's also a welcome video that goes ahead and says, hey guys, welcome to, I just wanted to welcome you. Here's the free course that you actually, just signed up for is at the bottom of this email attached. Go ahead and enroll in it. But I just wanted to let you know and welcome you and let you know that I'm going to be giving you a bunch of free tips that are going to be, relevant for dropshipping, because obviously they're interested in dropshipping, that are going to be relevant to your dropshipping store once you get started. So keep an eye out for them in the near future and in the coming days and weeks. What that does is A, it lets them know that I'm going to be continuously emailing them, and B, they get the dropshipping course so they're happy. Now, they're expecting other emails and to look out for them so they know that when they see an email from me, it's probably has to do with dropshipping and they should probably check it out. So what happens is all of this is set up through auto response emails. I don't send any of these emails out myself. I've set an auto response sequence up. The best part about it is it's all automated. It's all automated. So when somebody submits their email, they get an immediate auto response like we just talked about, getting the course. Then maybe a day or two later, they get another email giving them value. Then maybe another day later, they get another email giving them value. Then maybe they get another email giving them value. And then maybe 4 or 5 days later, they get a product that could be another course, could be another affiliate link, could be something else that sells them that makes me money. Now imagine if I had, which I do, an automation response, an email automation response that is basically triggered when somebody clicks their email, submits their email, and then for the next 30 to 40 days, they get a sequence of emails that are on automation that basically sell to them and give them value. For every email that I basically get through here, I earn about $4.19 in potential future income. So I then know that if I can use any one of those free alternative methods that we talked about yesterday to actually generate traffic to my potential landing page, then I can get those emails for free and make $4.19 off that potential person in the future. And I also know that I can spend up to like $4.18 on ads to get people to this actual landing page, knowing full well that each person is worth $4.19 to me in the future. So it's that simple. Now, obviously some people buy and some people don't, but on average, that's what the numbers tell me.